Thinking about buying a beautiful Persian rug?
You need to hear this story first.
A couple recently brought in a rug for appraisal.
Their mom had bought it from a New York City antique shop. The tag said, "Real silk Persian Tabriz, a very valuable and sought-after type of rug." There was just one huge problem. Our experts spotted it immediately. It wasn't real silk. Even worse, it wasn't even handmade. We don't know who was responsible for the fake label, the auction where the shop supposedly got it, or the shop itself. But this isn't the first time we've seen someone get scammed like this, spending thousands on a worthless fake. So today, we're going to share some crucial tips to help you avoid this heartbreak. Sadly, most fake silk and fake Persian rugs are worth only a tiny fraction of what people pay. That's why research is your best friend before you even think about shopping. Auctions, in particular, can be an irresistible trap. It's so easy for them to falsify information about what they're selling. If you're bidding on a high-value item like a rug, you absolutely must verify its authenticity before you pay. Remember the old saying, if a deal sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always research the auction house itself. Are they legitimate? What's the true market value of the items they're selling? If you do decide to go to an auction, keep an eye out for these red flags. First, is the room almost empty? A real, legitimate auction will be packed with professional dealers. If you don't see them, it might be a setup for unsuspecting buyers. Second, where is it being held? If it's in a hotel ballroom or some other temporary rented space, be very wary. Once they pack up and leave town, you have no way to contact them for a refund if you discover you've been conned. Another major red flag is when the appraisal and tag prices are wildly higher than the winning bid. This is a tactic to make you think you're getting an incredible deal. Also, do a quick check on the auctioneer. You can contact the Better Business Bureau to see if there are any complaints filed against them. We've tried to help people who've been scammed at auctions before, even getting the police involved. But often, these operators just vanish without a trace. Now, what about antique shops? They can be tricky too. Here's what to watch out for. If a dealer has multiples of the same antique rug, walk away. Genuine handmade rugs, especially antique ones, are almost always one of a kind. A huge warning sign is if the dealer won't provide a certificate of authenticity or guarantee it in writing. You need a written promise that you can get a full refund if an independent appraisal proves the rug is a fake. Ask them if they sell reproductions. They should, and those should be very clearly labeled. If they're not, you could easily end up paying an antique price for a modern, machine-made copy. So, what can you do if you've already bought a rug and you find out it's a fake? Your best and fastest option is to call your credit card company. If you act quickly, you might be able to cancel the payment. If not, you can dispute the charge. You can try contacting the seller. But don't be surprised if they refuse a return, claiming it was a final sale. And if it was from one of those pop-up auctions, good luck even finding them. The safest way to buy a rug and protect your investment is to go to a trusted, established rug dealer. A reputable dealer will have a physical, permanent showroom, offer guarantees of authenticity in writing, and have a clear return policy. They build their business on reputation, not on quick scams. Don't let your dream of owning a beautiful rug turn into a nightmare. Do your homework, watch for the red flags, and always buy from someone you can trust. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to be a smart rug buyer.